channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make keto peanut butter cookies. It's just 3 simple ingredients, okay you guys? So I already have my peanut butter in a bowl. We just need 1 egg. Sweetener of your choice. You can use Swerve or you can use erythritol, your choice. And there's other keto sweeteners out there, so you don't just have to settle with one. Okay. Then we're just going to take a spatula and we're just going to mix everything together. So you keep mixing until you have a very thick consistency of your cookie dough batter, and it looks kind of like this. Like a big old roll, kind of, sort of. And then you take a cooking sheet and parchment paper, and we're just going to line our cookies up. So our peanut butter keto cookie's been in the oven for about less than 15 minutes. So I'm just going to put it on a cooling rack and let it chill. I was trying to taste it to see if it was done and it kind of broke apart, but the rest seems perfectly fine. All right, you guys, so the cookies are now chilled and it tastes so good. Now the one that was already, sorry about that. Now the one that basically broke in half, I ate half of it just to taste it, and oh my god, you have to try this recipe. Now this second dessert I'm going to make a keto chocolate mousse. All you need is heavy whipped cream, this Hershey's unsweetened chocolate powder, a couple of splashes of vanilla, of course we have to add some Swerve, and a hand beater. So I was being really lazy to not use a large mixing bowl, and as you can see, it made quite a mess. But this is a really good keto sweet treat, you guys. This is not the best presentation, but it tastes so good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time.